Hello guys, here's another trade breakdown video on my funded account with the 5%ers. I took a buy position on Euro Australian dollar, giving me a total R of 3, and just for clarity I had two trades. The first went over 90 pips, then reversed to my break even. About 4 hours later I got a re-entry which hit my take profit this time, making about $446 in under 5 hours. So here is the trade breakdown. This is the exact buy position, the same reflected in the account. I took the trade based on a demand level in the market, and if I can just scroll a little bit back, we had this bearish drop, retracement, another impulse, then it was broken at this point. So after breaking, the market starts to form new higher highs and new higher lows. So the beginning of each impulse is a demand zone, so I came and marked my demand zone from where this candlestick started to the first bullish momentum candlestick. And now the idea is whenever price comes to this zone in future, we'll be looking for a bullish position. Here's the replay to show you the trade idea. So price starts to approach the demand zone, we wait for it to touch the demand. Once it touches the demand, even with just a wick, I look for the first immediate W pattern, then I buy after the W pattern has been formed, and I wait for price to retest the neckline of the W. So I have to zoom in here to see the W because it take the first immediate one or the earliest entry. I like to get my entries as early as possible. So if you check, we had drop, buy, dropped, then we get complete W. So now I wait for the price to come and retest the neckline before I can buy. So I put my buy limit pending order at that level. So if you check, this candlestick already triggered the buy limit, but this was 4 a.m. I wasn't awake, so I woke up at about 6 a.m. and I found the market was up here, but it still wasn't very far from the neckline. So as long as the market hasn't moved with a minimum of 50 pips, I still use the neckline as a buy limit. So when I woke up, I placed my buy limit there, then set my stop loss and take profit. Waited for price to come and trigger. Eventually the price came and triggered. That's at exactly 8 a.m. When my trade is running, I measure the 50 pips because that's where I put my stop loss at break even. So we set the alert at 50 pips. In case price hits 50, we put our stop loss at break even, and you can see price hit 50. After hitting 50, my stop loss was at break even. So the trade continued playing for a while, but eventually this first trade came and wiped me out. As you can see here with the replay, the next candlestick took me out at break even. So at this point I was out of the trade. So once I'm out of the trade, I can get a re-entry, but the rule is price must first retest the zone again, and after retesting the zone, we must get another W pattern. If that doesn't happen, we still don't take a trade. So I now follow the market and wait for any W. So I always anticipate my W's even before they happen. Once price has touched the zone, I start to look for the W. When price hit the zone, started buying, and it closed above this neckline, and if I can just draw, we have a W pattern which has been completed. So we repeat the same rule, put our buy limit order at the neckline. So we wait for price to come and trigger the buy limit, just like that. So the next candlestick triggered the order, the trade started running, went negative first, then we got that long bullish candlestick, and within just the next, I think 1 or 2 candlesticks, the trade was out, and I hit my reward of 3, TP of 135 pips. And that's it for the trade breakdown. So the market conditions in trading are very dynamic. I'm saying this because my last trade breakdown, which was EuroCAD, I had the trade running for about 5 days before hitting my final R of 3, which was still 135 pips. While on this breakdown, I got the same R with the same number of pips in just about 4 hours. So you can never tell how the markets will play out. Yours is just to stay disciplined, keep taking the same trades, and allow them to run to their full potential, meaning they either close at take profit, break even, or stop loss. Well, I hope this breakdown helps you, and you can join my free Telegram community linked in the description. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.